Namaste, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we have 5 essential yoga tips for beginners to help you start your yoga journey on the right foot. Let's get started. Tip 1. Start with basic poses. When you're new to yoga, it's important to begin with basic poses. Start with foundational poses like mountain pose, downward facing dog, and child's pose. These poses will help you build strength, improve flexibility, and familiarize yourself with the foundations of yoga. Tip 2. Focus on breath awareness. Breath awareness is a fundamental aspect of yoga. Pay attention to your breath as you move through each pose. Practice deep, slow breathing, inhaling and exhaling fully. This will help you relax, stay present, and deepen your practice. Tip 3. Listen to your body. Yoga is about connecting with your body and honoring its limits. Listen to your body and practice self-care. If a pose feels uncomfortable or painful, modify it or take a break. Don't push yourself too hard, especially as a beginner. Tip 4. Find a qualified instructor. To learn yoga properly, find a qualified instructor or join a reputable yoga studio. A good instructor will guide you through proper alignment, provide modifications, and ensure your safety during the practice. They can also answer your questions and help you progress. Tip 5. Consistency is key. Consistency is crucial in yoga. Set aside regular time for your practice, even if it's just a few minutes a day. Over time, you'll notice improvements in strength, flexibility, and overall well-being. Remember, it's about progress, not perfection. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these yoga tips will help you embark on a fulfilling yoga journey. Remember to be patient, enjoy the process, and embrace the transformative power of yoga. Until next time, namaste.